All right. Let's work on number. What problem are we doing next? All right, you're gonna read it to me. You're gonna tell me exactly what that problem is. All right, so. All right, what's the next one? Number 2, right? Tell me, what does it say? We have to say it. Bracket? Bracket open? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Minus what? 3? Close. Okay. Open. Bracket open. Uh-huh. Plus 4. Bracket close. All right, perfect. Right. What's my first step? What do I do first? So this says 3x times x. Right? 3x times x should give you 3x squared. Right? What about this one? 3x again times 4. 12 what? 12x. See that? Right? Now, this one times this. What does it give me? Negative 3x. Perfect. Perfect. Now, this one times this. Negative 12, right? Negative 12. Now I have like terms. I have like terms, meaning I have numbers that look the same. Numbers that look the same. You don't have to write this, right? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one have the same thing? 12x. And which one? Okay. So this 2, right? So 12x and 3x. If I were to combine this 2, you see how this says? Read this for me. What does it say? 12 minus. What would that give me? 9 what? 9x, right? You don't want to forget that. You need your x. And then you're done? Yep. Good job.
Good help.
Good job, good job. Tell Frederick to send me a plate. Alright? Frederick, send me a plate if you guys are baking and all that stuff. Alright? So I bring this down. Right? And I bring this down as well. Minus 12. This, my friend, is my final answer. Final answer. Alright? So this is number 2. Alright? See it? Start from this to this, this to that, this to this, this to that. Set them up, find like terms to the middle to give you this, bring this down, and you're done. All right. What else do you have? So Jerry states that this is equal to this. Do you agree or disagree? So a student like yourself or somebody else says, if you solve this, it should equal this. They're asking you, do you agree or disagree, right? It's like if I ask you, 5 plus 5 is equal to 7, do you agree or disagree, right? You're gonna say, I disagree because 5 plus 5 is not equal to 7. But we'll have to solve this first to see what the answer is, to see if the answer is gonna give us this. So we'll have to solve this, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, I'm gonna wipe this up. Oliver, you done with this?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Who else? Who else was working on this? That's it?
Me. I finished mine.
You have this already?
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's move on to the next one.
So,
What's up?
why you want to do one, what is it, the first one?
Say that again?
I said the first one?
The first one?
Yeah, the grappling problem?
I got you. We'll get to that in a second.
Grappling.
Say again?
I said, I catch hard time doing grappling.
Grab. Okay. Gregory, read me that question. What does it say? Uh-huh. Jerry? Mhm. Bracket open. All right. 4x. 3. What else? Uh-huh. To the power. To the power 2. Perfect. All right. So this is basically saying it's 2 of this. Like if I say Gregory to the power 2, this means I have one Gregory here, and I have another one here. You understand? Because it's 2 to the power 2. If it says to the power 3, I have another one. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're understanding that. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, this means there's 2 of this. I have 2. So my first step is this: 1 and 2. 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3. Same thing. Alright? It's gonna be the same thing. Alright? Now, no more 2. Take the 2 off. Right? Now, my first step is 4x times 4x. What will that give me? What's 4x times 4x? 16 what?
X.
16x what?
To
To the power 2, right? Because there are 2 x's. Remember, x times x equal x2 because there's a 1 here and there's a 1 here. It's multiplication, right? So we're done with that. We'll move on to the next one. 4x again times 3. 12 what? 12x, right? Positive 12x, right? Because 4x times 3 gives you 12x. There's only one x, so there's just one x. Alright? We're gonna move on to this positive 3 over here. Positive 3 times 4x. What does this give me? This one's for Gregory. Gregory, what is 3 times 4x? It's 3 times 4x. 12 what? 12x. Perfect. Alright? Plus 12x. And then finally, what is 3 again times 3? 9. Alright? Positive 9. Alright? This is question for Gregory. Gregory, what should I do next? combine like terms. Meaning, add the numbers that look the same, right? And they look the same because they have x. But let me ask you a question though. Why can't I combine this one? Because it has a 2, so it's not the same. This and this are not the same. Alright, so if I combine this 2, what would that give me?
24.
24 what? 24x, right? So 24x. Question for Gregory again. What would be my next step? Bring it down? Okay. So 16x2 plus, what else? Plus 9, right? So this, if you were to solve this, like the question said, this should give you a final answer. So now go back to your question. Is Jerry right or not? What did Jerry say the answer was?
He said you got x power 2 plus 25.
Okay, so is he right?
No.
Alright, so you're gonna tell me why you think he's wrong.
Mr. Ogo,
What's up?
I have noticed something. Each thing did me mad, but I understand it perfectly, Mr. Maggie.
Really? And, I mean, probably because it's like one-on-one.
This thing teach me mad, but I understand it perfectly, Mr. Maggie.
Really? That's funny. But, so Gregory, look. That question is asking you, is this person correct? This person says this is equal to this. When we solve that, we get this, right? All right, appreciate you.
I'll be back in a couple minutes for
I got you. So you're gonna have to, like, you need a sentence that say, do you agree or disagree that this is equal to this? Do you agree or disagree? So you're gonna tell me, I disagree because, tell me your reason. And your reason is gonna be different from Oliver's reason. Oliver's reason is gonna be different from Rothschild's reason. Rothschild's reason is gonna be different from Jesse in the front. Jesse's reason is gonna be different from Edison in the back, right? So you're gonna give me your own sentence. When you disagree because, right? That's what matters most. Right? So you're gonna say, I disagree because. Tell me why you disagree. Tell me why. Alright?